अब वक्त आ गया है टॉर्नेडो टीम के जवानों के हैरत अंगेज कारनामे देखने का। टॉर्नेडो सेना सेवा कोर की टीम है। 135 सदस्यों की इस टीम का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं
And stand by now. Coming up is the Tornado team of the Army Service Corps. These are the dispatch riders. War or peace, they carry messages across to the nation on their Royal Enfield bullet motorcycles. Stand by for the Tornado team. They'll have the ladder balance, the flying fish, the long arm, the Lotus, the Varma Lotus, the ASC special. Amazing display. This is a full-fledged Army Service Corps dispatch rider teams. They've been doing this since 1950s. Watch these magnificent men on their motorcycles.
इस टीम में 135 सदस्य हैं और इनका नेतृत्व करेंगे मेजर एसएस राठौर, जो स्वयं एक कुशल निशानेबाज, पोलो खिलाड़ी और तैराकियों हैं। बहादुरी और संतुलन का
टॉर्नेडो टीम का नेतृत्व करते हुए मेजर एसएस राठौर
संतुलन खाते हुए राष्ट्रपति को सलामी देते हुए सलामी मंच के सामने से और उसके पीछे हवलदार पुरुषोत्तम मेजर से 10 फीट ऊंची सीढ़ी पर अनूठा खेल दिखाते हुए यहाँ उपस्थित बच्चों से हम कहना चाहेंगे कि वो ऐसा करने की कोशिश ना करें क्योंकि वाकई ये बच्चों का
लैडर बैलेंस फॉर्मेशन
कठिन अभ्यास की जरूरत होती है। फिश राइडिंग आपने सवारियां तो बहुत की होगी लेकिन फिश राइडिंग नहीं की होगी। सिर्फ एक सफेद के साथ मछली की रोमांचक सवारी पर शरीर को खाते हुए रेड राइडिंग लड़की मोटरसाइकिल पर रेड राइडिंग जो बच्चों के लिए तैयार की गई है। एसएस महिला घटक दिखाते हुए उनका जोहर और ये है शीर्षासन
वार्मा लोटस।
आपने देखा कि हम अभ्यास को नहीं योगाभ्यास को छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं, इसलिए यहाँ हमने शीर्षासन देखा और अब ये है वार्मा लोटस।
अलग अलग आकृतियां बनाते हुए गजब का संतुलन इस टॉर्नेडो टीम के जवानों का। कुल 135 सदस्यों की ये टीम।
एएसपी स्पेशल हवलदार रामपाल यादव अशोक की सबको दिखा रहे हैं।
स्पेशल
और उसके ऊपर हमारा प्यारा तिरंगा लहरा रहा है। इसके नीचे जवानों का अगर संघात है तभी निर्भीकता के साथ ये प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं। और ये है मानव पिरामिड।
राजपथ पर विशालतम मानव पिरामिड। 9 मोटरसाइकिलों पर सवार 37 जवान। तिरंगे के रंग में रंगा ये मानव पिरामिड।
What a wonderful display of balance, discipline, and of course years of practice. And now, after gravity-defying formations on ground, we have gravity-defying maneuvers in the sky. Time now for all heads to look up and all eyes to crinkle at the corners and peer into the liberating blue of the sky. The Indian Air Force will now...
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for that magnificent fly past. The nation awaits the fly past. You'll have the helicopters, you'll have the fighter jets, you'll have the transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force. You'll also have the vertical Charlie of the Su-30 MKI. Air Commodore Sivach, this is something that the entire parade looks to, whether you have the Chakra formation of the Mi-35s, the Vic formation, the Hercules, the Big Boy formation, the Jaguars, or the Sukhois.
People here absolutely
Indian
enthralled.
Air Force is a highly
And full
potent
of
and
fly past in the
professional
words
force,
of a pilot.
and
The thunder
every
comes
Republic
filled
Day
with
it
the
shows
heart
its prowess to the nation.
It is
Very spectacular, magnificent show, and Indian Air Force has been recognized as one of the best Air Force of the world, fourth largest Air Force.
It indeed is, and look at the Chakra formation. These are the Mi-35 attack helicopters of the Indian Air Force. They've been seen in action. The fly past, look at the sky right above Rajpath. The Mi-35 is an attack helicopter. It can carry heavy armament. It can carry heavy weaponry. It can fly up to a speed of 240 kilometers per hour. You've seen these operations. You've seen these helicopters in operation even in Sierra Leone. Take a look at these magnificent machines.
Will come in from that side, and it is from the India Gate side.
This is the Mi-35, an attack helicopter. Watch me as I become one with the wind and one with the sky and the sun. Watch me as I fly true into the vast, seamless blue. And why not? Our men in uniform personify discipline, daring, and duty.
Again, yes, because if you look at India's overall military capability, what is normally referred to as lift, whether it is of a tactical nature or of a strategic nature, is a very important component of the country's trans-border military capability. This was a gap, and I think the induction of this particular platform, the Hercules, has gone a long way. And it's also, I think, an indicator of the way in which the India-US relationship is evolving in a progressive manner. So yes, a positive issue. And I do want to end on a note saying that there is a lot to celebrate about. I don't want to come across as this guy who's giving you the equivalent of a cynical view.
No, absolutely not. The Big Boy formation now behind the Hercules are the IL-78s, 2 AN-32s and 2 Dorniers. They are the transport power of the Indian Air Force, and just behind them you're going to see the magnificent deep penetration strike aircraft. You're going to see the Jaguars, the MiG-29 Fulcrums, and in the end, ladies and gentlemen, stand by for the Sukhoi 30 MKI. The showstopper, and if I may use that term, the showstopper, ladies and gentlemen, would be a vertical Charlie. That aircraft is being piloted by Wing Commander Sharad Aneja. Stand by for a magnificent display of air power.
And this is the Big Boy formation, comprising 1 IL-78, 2 AN-32 and 2 Dorniers. The formation is being led by Group Captain Animesh Kumar Singh, and the AN-32s are captained by Wing Commander Arun Bala and Flight Lieutenant B.R. Kumar, while Wing Commander Samir Ranjan Das and Flying Officer Sharad Saurabh are in command of the Dornier aircraft. As heads turn skywards and the gaze searches out that glimmer of silver, a message seems to be going out from the present to the future. We see you and we are preparing to meet you. Excitement galore, and here we are. All eyes up. 5 Jaguar deep penetration strike aircraft in arrowhead formation. This formation led by Wing Commander Abhijit Nene at a speed of 780 kilometers per hour. And now 5 MiG-29 air superiority fighters of number 223 Squadron in Fulcrum. They're called the Trident. Thunder in the sky. Wing Commander Shekhar Yadav was leading this formation. For these men in blue of the Indian Air Force, the blue sky seems to be an extension of them as they take wing. Sukhoi 30 MKI. Please stand by for this wonderful maneuver which you can see, the Trishul maneuver. Wing Commander Harshad Mishra is leading it. Peeling off in 3 different directions. And this is the vertical Charlie, Wing Commander Sharat Aneja. Did you see that? Absolutely gravity defying. Every group of them achieved their goal. The motto of Indian Air Force, never fish and meet them or touch the sky with glory. Looks like a collective sigh has gone through the audience. Everybody was holding their breath. With the fly past literally being the high note that concludes the Republic Day parade at Rajpath. And what a display it's been here today. Visual delight, spirit-lifting patriotic fervor, and of course, a poignant, gentle reminder of sacrifice and valor.
आकाश की ऊंचाइयों को शान से छूना है, ये मूल मंत्र है हमारी वायुसेना का। रोंगटे खड़े करने वाले और सभी को रोमांचित करने वाले फ्लाई पास्ट के साथ 64वें गणतंत्र दिवस परेड का शानदार समापन हुआ। धर्मनिरपेक्षता, भाईचारे और सांप्रदायिक सद्भाव की अनुपम नींव पर खड़ी है विश्व के सबसे बड़े प्रजातंत्र भारत गणराज्य की मजबूत इमारत।